So this plan was really small. It's a mini plan of Builderall. The real Builderall is this one, which is called digital marketing, and it costs $29.90 a month dollars, and this is the real Builderall. All the tools that you have, and this is a all-in-one digital marketing platform and solution for you. So compared to web presence, you can connect up to 15 domain name and unlimited website also, but you have an email autoresponder, and this is critical online to have a autoresponder. So it's included, and it's unlimited autoresponder. There's no limit in Builderall because this is the plan. This one, digital marketing, is Builderall. The only better plan, in my opinion, but it's not for everybody, the only better one is Builderall Business. But it is only for some people that want to create a business around Builderall. And in this case, you should have a look at Builderall Business. That's the one I have. I have a Builderall Business because I want to be able to resell Builderall, and that's why I'm creating those videos, this page, because I want to resell Builderall. Builderall is my product now. I have a business selling Builderall, the tool, and also the service. I can create websites and transfer them to you if you have the digital marketing plan, or if you have a web presence. I can create a website for you and transfer it into your account. But I can also sell Builderall with and that's it. Just promote it and sell it, and I earn a commission. But I will talk to you about it later in this video. Now it's about the digital marketing plan. If you are interested in a very good solution for internet publishing, then you should take digital marketing plan because you have many tools. As I said, you have all the tools of web presence, of course, but you have also email autoresponder. So I could go into details, but if you want really the best details, you click on the button below, not this one, not this one, the second one, and you will go to the web page with all the information, all the details about each plan. So don't rely on this video to have an idea about Builderall platform and digital marketing, all the plan. Go and look for yourself, or even better, you can click on the form. You fill in the form and you click on the button really down this page, and you will be able to open a free account, 7 days, no credit card asked, okay, it's no string attached, just to try it, but it will be the full Builderall business account for 7 days. So you can really look at all the tools that you have in digital marketing, and even the menu for resellers of Builderall business. So anyway, I will not go into details, but I can tell you this is the best. It's not because I resell it that I say it. It's because I know about the other solution. It is the best quality on price. You know, the price is $29.90 each month, and for this you don't need any other tools for all your digital marketing needs. You host all your websites, your blogs. You can create an e-commerce to sell your products. I mean, any need you have on the internet for publishing, selling, accepting payments, from PayPal or Stripe. Anything you need is on Builderall. And it's very secure, you cannot be hacked, you don't have to upgrade, you don't have to install tools, no, everything is included, and you have the company that you pay and that I pay. This company is responsible for the security and that every tools are working fine. The database, backups, everything. Because if there is a problem, you know, Builderall has several tens of thousands customers. So when everybody uses Builderall, so when there is a problem, a bug, before you realize there is a bug, you have already several people asking to the support to fix it, and they have tens of developers, about 100 employees in Builderall, and many are developers. So they fix bugs. That's their job. That's why we pay them, because they have created the tools, but also to maintain them, to have quality. The keyword is quality. They want a quality product. So you just use it. And my advice is to learn to use the web editor Pixel Perfect. In my opinion, this is the central tool of Builderall. And you know what is good about the platform is that when you have the central tool and all the other tools are connected to the central one. So this means that with Pixel Perfect, when you create your website, you can add a widget, you can add a module on your page of another tool. I don't know if you realize this. If you are new to internet publishing, maybe you don't know what I'm talking about. Why do I say that? It's natural for you. But if you have been publishing on the internet before, you know that even if you have two tools and you need to connect them, it's a lot of work, it's difficult. You need to pay maybe someone, a technical person, to do it for you, and then when you want to change something, you need to pay again. And if this person is still available for work, so this is a real problem to integrate, connect together two tools together, or three tools, or four tools. And in this platform digital marketing, in this plan of Builderall, you have over 30 tools of digital marketing, and they are all integrated within another, of course. So this is another point, selling point, to say that if you want peace of mind, and if you want Builderall, and that's it, because you want to publish, take this plan. Click on the button below and get your digital marketing plan, okay? But now, if you are interested in reselling this tool, because you can tell that it's a quality tool, and I will talk to you about the commission program, the affiliate program, then check this video, look at it, because I will not talk about the tools anymore, but only about the affiliate program. That's what I like. It's affiliation, but also the tool. I've been using it for months now, and it's really great. I'm so happy to have discovered it and to have stick with it. And now I resell it by making videos like this and pages, many ways, and it's very good. It's a business. It's my business around Builderall. Okay, so I end this video now, and if you want to check all the details, you click on the second button below, not the first one. The first one is to buy it, because you know you should buy it, but no. The second one is to go on the page that I'm looking now here, with all the details, so you can look and think about it, and then finally buy it from this page if you want. But if you are interested in business, online and you have already a business, but you are interested, why not, to hear about it, check this video now. Check it. And this is the plan I recommend to anyone, but I know that some people don't have time, don't want to do affiliate marketing. Okay, but it's because you don't have time, because you don't have the will, but no logical reason other than time and yes, no will to do it. But otherwise, it's a great business. So let's see you in this video.